Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Kumba sanpulai ngot ki Shipai Royal Thai Army jongkari Thailand kilawan poi Haka ketem Shipai jongkari India Haka joint training note Umroi Ribhoi district Shim Bynta Haka Jingiakilanmet kabakhat sau sngi linter bat ki Shipai kari India ya kabala ai kerteng kumka Mai 314 Haka ni ke Jingiakilanmet kabala sedang nadu hinnen kesngi kata ka shitrik unai lur arhaja afusan anpen kut haka khat sau trik unai lur arhaja afusan haka bana kaliang jongkite ki Shipai ka Royal Thai Army kalawan ban mi khmat daki san phulai ngot ki Shipai na ka 1st Infantry Battalion ka 14 Brigade katba na kaliang jong ka India lami khmat daki shispa arphongot ki Shipai ka Madras Regiment kani ka Jingiakilanmet ka dei Shibenta ka jingpen klan ya ka jingedei ka jingetrelang bar ka jing ai jing mut mar kaliang hapadeng kari India bat Thailand na ka benta bane khun ni ki le no hakijaka ki balong khapsor katkum ka chapter 7 jonga United Nation Charter hakini ki khatsau si lenter ki Shipai na kini ki artli ki ri kin penlong ya ka Jingiakilanmet haki benta ki babun rukom ki bakentop ya ka tactical drills joint planning special arms skills physical fitness but ka reading operations kumban chukdo baka jing ai kilanmet jong ka Mai 3 kelas dang ningkong hausnem arhajar rio kade ka wei na ka jing ai kilanmet ka bakong san hapadeng kari India but ka Thailand kum Shibenta ban pen klan ya ka jingede hapadeng kini ki art liki Shipai jong kari ka perthei ban wanra ya ka jingsuk but ka jing shongshngan hakathan.
Respected sirs, I now request you to officially raise the curtain for commencing the opening of 14th edition of exercise Mai 3.
অভিযান চলি আছে বৰ্তমান সময়ত উমৰই কেণ্টনমেণ্টত আৰু এনেধৰণে আৰু ৰয়েল থাই আৰ্মিয়ে তেওঁলোকে এনেধৰণে নগৰ অঞ্চলত বা চহৰ অঞ্চলত তেওঁলোকে অভিযান চলাব উগ্ৰপন্থীৰ বিৰুদ্ধে আৰু উগ্ৰপন্থীৰ বিৰুদ্ধে অভিযান চলাওঁতে ভাৰত যিটো উগ্ৰপন্থী আছে সেই উগ্ৰপন্থী থকাৰ সময়ত কেনেধৰণে তেওঁলোকে অভিযান চলাব সেই অভিযানত তেওঁলোকে ঢুকীয়া প্ৰশিক্ষণ আৰম্ভ কৰিছে আৰু তাৰ অনুশীলনৰ কাৰণে 14 দিনীয়া অনুশীলন কেনেধৰণে ভাৰতীয় সেনা আৰু ৰয়েল থাই আৰ্মিৰ যি জোৱানসকল আছে সেনাবাহিনী সেই জোৱানসকলে কেনেধৰণে ইয়াত কৰিছে আৰু 14 দিনীয়া যি অভিযান আছে সেই অভিযানত কেনেধৰণে ইয়াত অভিযানটো চলাই আছে চাওক ভাৰতীয় সেনাৰ জোৱান ইতিমধ্যে ওপৰলৈ উঠিছে তেওঁ আৰু ওপৰলৈ উঠি তেওঁ এই ক্ষেত্ৰত যদি কোনো গাঁত আছে বা কেনেধৰণে আছে সেই ক্ষেত্ৰত তেওঁলোকে ইয়াত অভিযান চলাব আৰু ইয়াৰ সমান্তৰাল 14 ছেপ্টেম্বৰলৈকে এই যি অভিযান আছে সেই অভিযান চলাব আৰু ইয়াত প্ৰশিক্ষণ লোৱা হ'ব কেনেধৰণে নগৰ অঞ্চল বা গ্ৰামাঞ্চলত হওক বা যি চহৰ আছে সেই চহৰত যদি এনেধৰণে উগ্ৰপন্থীয়ে কোনোবা আশ্ৰয় লৈ থাকে বহুমূলীয়া অট্টালিকা বা অট্টালিকাৰ ভিতৰত সেই উগ্ৰপন্থীসকলক কেনেধৰণে ব্যৱস্থা গ্ৰহণ কৰিব তাক লৈ কেনেধৰণে অভিযান অনুশীলনক লৈ ইয়াত এনেধৰণে ভাৰতীয় সেনা আৰু ঠাই যি সেনা আছে সেই ঠাই সেনা ইয়াত কেনেধৰণে এতিয়া অনুশীলন
and the complete exercise contingent of Royal Thai Army to Umroi and wish you a comfortable stay during the course of the exercise. It is with great pride and a sense of camaraderie that I stand before you today as we embark on this significant annual joint military exercise between Indian Army and Royal Thai Army. The exercise signifies not only the strong bond between our two nations but also our unwavering commitment to ensure regional peace and security. We share a deep-rooted and time-honored relations strengthened through centuries of shared culture, values and vision, which adds to the flavor of the cordial relationship that we share. Our presence here today is a testament to the trust and cooperation that exists between our two great nations. As fast-growing economies and emerging Asian powers, we have come together to share our knowledge, experience, and best practices to enhance our collective capability for fighting in sub-conventional operations especially while operating under Chapter 7 of the UN mandate. This exercise is a symbol of our unity in purpose and our determination to work together. The prestigious exercise Maitri commenced in the year 2006 and today is a tall testimony of the growing bond of friendship between the two glorious nations. The word Maitri itself means friendship and truly lives up to its name. The 14th edition of Exercise Maitri commences today at Umroi, Meghalaya. It is a 14-day joint exercise and a comprehensive training program spanning 14 days has been drawn up for this purpose. As soldiers, we are embodiment of discipline, dedication and determination. We represent the very best of our respective countries, and it is our training, courage and professionalism that will make this joint exercise a success. Though this exercise, we aim to further strengthen our interoperability, refine our tactics with enhanced synergy and coordination at tactical level, and build the bonds of friendship and trust stronger than ever. During the exercise, we'll exchange officers and troops to plan and execute military operations in response to adverse situations in a counter-terrorism environment. We also look forward to learn from Royal Thai Army's rich operational experience of operating in a multinational environment. The mutual sharing of best practices will surely further hone our skills and tactical acumen of handling all contingencies with professional adeptness. I would also like to emphasize the importance of safety and adherence to all the established protocols throughout this exercise. Our top priority is the well-being of each and every one of us. Remember that we are here to learn from each other and to grow stronger together, and that can only happen if we work together in a safe and disciplined manner. I also want to stress the importance of understanding the culture and traditions of each other outside the training exercise. These can be as valuable as the military skills we gain during this exercise. We have full faith in coming days at FTN Umroi. Contingent of both countries will leave no stone unturned to showcase their best drills and achieve synergy in joint operations as well as learn from each other's best practices. In conclusion, let us approach this joint exercise with enthusiasm, professionalism, and a spirit of cooperation. Our nations have a shared history and a shared future. I have every confidence that together we'll achieve our training objectives and emerge from this exercise even stronger, more capable, and more united force. Thank you for your dedication and service. Let us make the most of this opportunity to learn and grow together. Thank you and Jai Hind.
Indian Army, all officers, personnel from both India and Royal Thai Army, and all participants. I, Lieutenant Colonel Sarawut Lutanda, Contingent Commander of Royal Thai Army, as the representative of the Royal Thai Army, am deeply honored to be here today for the opening ceremony of the 14th Combined Exercise Mighty 2025. Exercise Mighty 2025 is a combined exercise of great significance and a vulnerable opportunity for both countries to exchange experience, knowledge, various military skills, and the enhanced capability of both nations' force. Furthermore, we also have good chance to learn culture, tradition, and strengthen friendship and camaraderie between our two countries. I hope that we will achieve success and accomplish this mission together, create good memory and friendship. May we all benefit of this exercise to the fullest, and we will fight and win together. Thank you.